Hello, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with the long vowel silent E pattern. The vowel we are focusing on today is long A. Long A says its name, ape. We're going to match the pictures with the words in our word bank up top. Let's do 3 together, and I will then tell you what the picture is, but you'll write the word yourself. So the very first picture is a picture of a vase. Vase. Finger stretch. V-A-S. Vase. Please write the word vase. We have that long vowel, silent E. And I'm going to go ahead and cross off vase from my word bank. The next picture is a picture of a sale. Looks like they're selling some yummy treats. Let's finger stretch the word sale. S-A-L, sale. Please write the word sale. S-A-L, with that silent E. We can see the pattern, vowel, consonant, silent E. The next picture is a picture of tape. Please finger stretch tape. T-A-P, tape. Please write tape. T-A-P, tape. And we need that silent E on the end. We have that long vowel, silent E pattern. Cross off tape from your word bank. All right, I'm not going to be doing any writing, but you can be a good listener and I'll tell you what the picture is. That is a picture of a cave. K-A-V, cave. Please write the word cave underneath that picture. Our next word is a picture of a game. G-A-M. Please write the word game underneath the picture of the boy and girl playing a game. The next picture looks like they are saving their money. So the word is going to be save. S-A-V. Save. Please write the word save underneath the picture. Our last line is a picture of a boy holding money. It looks like he works at McDonald's. So that is a picture of his wage. A wage is how much money you make at your job. Let's finger stretch the word wage. W-A-J. Wage. I'm going to write that word with you. W-A-J. Wage. Long vowel, silent E pattern. The next picture is a picture of a girl who is late. Oh no, look at the time. Late. Finger stretch. L-A-T. Late. Please write the word late underneath the picture. Our next word is a picture of a race. R-A-S. Race. Please write the word race. And you'll notice, boys and girls, with the word race, that C is making a S sound. That is called a soft C. All right, you did great. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we are going to do third times a charm. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with the long vowel silent E pattern. That pattern is vowel, consonant, silent E at the end, and the vowel sound is long. Please write the word make. M-A-K, make. Please pause the video and write make 2 more times. The next word we are going to write is the word time. Time. Finger stretch the word time. T-I-M. Time. T-I-M. Time. And you can see our vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Please write the gesture below your word. Our next word is the word shape. Please finger stretch the word shape. Sh-a-p. Shape. Please write the word shape. Sh-a-p. Shape. Long vowel, silent E. Please pause the video and write shape 2 more times. Our next word is the word date. Date. Finger stretch. D-A-T. Date. Please write the word date. D-A-T. Date. Please find the pattern, long vowel, silent E. Draw the gesture. Please pause the video and write it 2 more times. All right, my friends, our next word is skate. Please finger stretch, skate. S-k-a-t, skate. S-k-a-t, skate. Long vowel, silent E. Please pause the video and write skate 2 more times. Our 6th word is the word plate. Please finger stretch plate. P-L-A-T. Plate. Please write plate. P-L-A-T. Plate. Find the pattern, vowel, consonant, silent E at the end. Please pause the video and write plate 2 more times. Okay, my friends, our next word is the word rate. Rate. R-A-T. Rate. Please write the word rate. R-A-T. Rate. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word is the word cave. K-A-V. Please pause the video and write cave 2 more times. Our 9th word is the word gate. G-A-T. G-A-T. Long vowel, silent E. And our last word today is the word 9, like the number 9. I. I. Silent E makes that I say its name. Please pause the video, write 9 2 more times. Okay, my friends, go ahead and put this into the top basket and move on to Lexia. You did great.